distinguished surgeons, our friend Dr. Verma. I have always felt during my internship days and student days at Safdarjung Hospital, where we had a very active ENT department, Dr. Sagar, Dr. Saharia, Dr. Meka. So it was a very attractive department, and I always felt this is one department where you can pull the person by his ears. Whoever he is isn't at all important. You can pull him by his ears, and he will very willingly show his ears to you and allow you to hold his ears. Jokes apart, the step that Dr. Verma had taken requires total support, because of the simple reason it makes a difference to a child's life. And that contribution, with the administrative support from our railway board, we were able to do it. And I'm thankful to Dr. Amit for sparing his time, leaving his Delhi work. He has come all the way to Kolkata. He has spent so much valuable time, shared his knowledge, and I'm sure this will be the first stepping stone for doing this sort of surgery. But here I have certain reservations. If Dr. Verma intends to go in for cochlear implantation, I don't know what the other instruments will be used by whom. He has planned to take a total laryngoscope, endoscopic set, costing somewhere to the tune of around 40 lakhs, which for railways is quite a big sum. He has got other instruments also, so I will just request him definitely acquire the knowledge for doing implantations, but also keep the other branches ready, because you are the only son in this sky of ENT of Central Hospital. The others are senior. Unfortunately, Railways has got an acute scarcity of specialist doctors. I do not know the reason. Maybe we are not offering what the outside world is offering them. As on date, we have got only 3 ENT surgeons in entire Southeastern India. The other 2 ENT surgeons are pretty senior. Possibly their aptitude towards imbibing new techniques, new technology is not as high as Dr. Verma's. So I would insist that even after acquiring the knowledge, he continues to stay here. But this hospital has got a reputation of losing out their top-notch stars for the corporate world. We have at present 4 of our doctors working in the corporate sector, one in nephrology, one in gastroenterology, one as a cardiac surgeon, and one as a neurosurgeon. They are doing very well in the city. And then the future, maybe 5 or 7 years or 10 years later, we'll also lose Dr. Verma to the corporate. Our blessings and good wishes to him. But till that time, I should request him to prepare another person to take over all the instruments that he acquires during this. I must thank everybody for sparing their time, because our garden is sometimes beyond reach, although today you proved that its garden is within reach and you reached here. The location here is quite attractive once you start staying. For those who are coming from outside, you might find it difficult. But we have a close-knit community where we look after each other, as you might have witnessed in our operation theatre today. There were 3 specialties working simultaneously. Presently also the surgeries are going on. And I wish that this interaction continues for the benefit of all of us. Thank you so much.